Hello guys, welcome to Apna Cafe. So if you're having Byju's IS tablet, or if you don't have that, and if you want to know the functions of the tablet, that what apps it have, and what are the functions of it, so here's the video. So before starting to the main content, I would like to tell you that please subscribe to our channel. We have been doing our we were working hard for so many long time, and we need your support guys, so please do subscribe. So let's start. Okay, if you're having the Byju's IS tablet, okay, and if you don't know, if you're having only one app, let's turn on the screen first. At the starting you'll have only one app, okay, you can see here Byju's app, Byju's premium app. But if you want other apps to show here without unlocking the phone, okay, so how you can do that? First let me show you how all these apps are and how this works. So this is Adobe Acrobat. You can access all your documents like this. This is my syllabus of Byju's by Byju's. Here are all the syllabus, the topics and all, and which dates the unit test will be happening. Okay, so it's so much easy if you can access all these things in your tablet in this big screen. Okay, next let's see, you're having also YouTube app in which you can play all the videos and all. So here's this. You can download all the videos and all. Okay, you can see here all the videos are there. You can play any videos from YouTube also in big screen.
The Russian Arctic coast is here.
Like this.
So much of distance has to be covered. International relation, that is not a good thing, because that soon becomes a geopolitical tool of control. That is why you will hear countries like Belarus,
Okay,
Ukraine, Latvia,
so it will play like this.
are slowly developing.
You can access your YouTube, you can access your Gmail, and if you want to share your files from your mobile phone, any documents or any audio or any video from your mobile to your tablet, here they have provided you can have this Google Files from which you can send any files from your mobile to your tablet. Okay, so how you can do everything? There is also another app, FM Radio, in which you can listen to the podcasts from Rajya Sabha and all, and what current affairs you need and all, everything. Okay, so here are all the apps: email, FM radio, YouTube. So how let's get to the main point. How you can have all the apps in your tablet main screen without unlocking the tablet. So if you want to have all the apps including Zoom, in which you can attend the meetings, attend all the webinars they have. So if you want to have all your apps in this tablet, what you have to do, you have to call customer support or mentor support. On that you have to say you have to connect with technical support, so they'll call you back, and you have to say them that I want to have access to all the apps like Zoom, Adobe Acrobat, email and Google Drive and all. You just tell them. They are having all the access to your tablet, so they will unlock your tablet from there itself. It will be an online process. You have to turn on your Wi-Fi. After that, what will happen? After that, they will unlock your apps, and there are already all these apps in your tablet. Okay, you have to just install it. They will tell all the process. You have to install all these apps, and after that it will come to this display to your home screen. Okay, after that they will lock it again. So after that you can have access to all these like Zoom, Adobe Acrobat, everything, and you can attend all your webinars on this tablet only, not your smartphone or not any tablets. Okay, so in the next video I'll be telling you guys how you can have access to all the apps from your Play Store. Okay, how you can use any apps from Play Store, and how you can access your Google Chrome, in which you can visit any website, you can surf the browser. How you can do that, I'll tell you in the next video. So till then, do subscribe, like and share. Okay, thanks for watching.